back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. So today, no long intro, okay? If you'd like to learn how to be just peachy this summer, then definitely keep on watching. I wish I had like the big like cut thing, but I don't. Alright. I mean, does this palette need any introduction? I'm obsessed. Taking the orange color from the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that into my crease to start off this look as my transition color. And this will add like a nice bit of orange hue to your look without it being too much. Then I'm gonna go into, again, another palette I'm obsessed with, the Anastasia Soft Glam, and I'm gonna be taking Sienna. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that like right below under the orange color we initially applied. It's just gonna give it some depth without taking away from the orange, and just so your eyes don't just look orange, you know what I mean? And then I'm also gonna be taking Sienna and running that along my lower lash line. Okay, and now that we're looking like we got red eye, pink eye, orange eye, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna go ahead and take burnt orange from the Anastasia palette and apply that all over my lid. Then I'm gonna go back in with the same brush I pretty much applied Sienna with, just to kind of blend those two colors in the crease so there's no like harsh lines. You know, blending is key. I'm also gonna be taking what is this color called? One sec. Okay, I'm gonna be taking orange soda and applying that into my inner tear duct area, and then I'm gonna layer glistening on top. I feel like the little bit of orange in orange soda kind of shines through glistening. It makes it look nice. Now moving on to my cheeks, I'm gonna be taking this Fenty Beauty blush duo or highlight duo along with NYX Cinnamon Blush, and kind of just layering them together on my cheeks. And I like to kind of put that on the tip of my nose and a little bit on my chin, just to kind of give me like a nice little burnt or sun-kissed look. And then I'm going to be taking this Fenty highlighter in Hustler Baby, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the points of my cheek. I love doing this. I just really like the way it looks on that area of my face, and as you'll see the difference. Then once I even out the other side, I'm going to go ahead and run it down the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and a little bit on my chin. Ever since I've done my Rihanna tutorial, I'm obsessed with running highlight down my nose. Like, her influence is just unmatched. Moving on, I'm going to be taking the NYX Lip Liner in Chestnut. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Now I'm going to be taking this lipstick from Fenty Beauty in Freckle Fiesta. I'm just going to go ahead and pat that onto my lips. It's such a beautiful burnt orange color. I love it. Now I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Pro Correcting concealer in orange. I want to go ahead and layer that on top of the lipstick I put on because it kind of lightens it up from a burnt orange to like a peachy nude. And I had initially bought that as a Corrector and it was too dark for my skin, and I saw Tara Walker use this as a lip topper, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that, and I love it. I'm obsessed with doing this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my gloss with, again, Fenty Beauty. Where would my makeup be without Fenty Beauty? Like, where? Okay, sis just came in and changed the game. I'm applying this gloss to my lips. You already know the gloss was coming because I'm a glossy girl. And that's it. You do your little happy dance because you're ready to go outside and slay the summer with your peachy looking face. So this is it for the final look. What do y'all think? It's super easy, right? So I hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to come back next Monday because I upload every Monday. Okay, every Monday I'm here giving you looks. So join the family, subscribe, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.